Just like
Oh,
a
we
little
do look
bit.
very beautiful.
We do. Yeah, we found a place, a charity shop that has stuff for €1. So let's go inside and see if it's. Let's also see what Aita bought, because she bought some very cool stuff.
Maybe that I feel like this
I love that.
very cool if you fit it.
Yeah.
I
love it. Our new stuff. I love this outfit with the hat. Oh my god, I keep turning off the light. With the jeans. I love this. So happy. And we only paid, like I paid €2 for this and €2 for the other two coats. And Aita paid €2 for the coats and only €1 for the t-shirts. So very successful. I'll trust your ability, and then when I'm editing, there's like
I'm really not a great.
Feeling a little bit of an energy crash throughout the day, and I'm starting to think it's because of the coffee. So I'm starting to feel very tired again, and I just love the taste of coffee so much, but it just makes me feel like shit if I drink it that often. So yeah, they were having some tea. Now on to my favorite part, which is toppings. Toppings on my pancakes. Hello. My podcast just went live with Aita, and it's such a beautiful conversation on feeling and being enough. And I just posted it on my Instagram, and I'll leave the link for the podcast on this video as well. This is the first time I'm speaking today, so I'm sorry for my voice. I'm listening to it now, and it's so good, and I'm so happy about it. It's such a vulnerable and raw expression of life in a way that I feel like a lot of people feel, but we don't really talk about it. So I'm really happy to have this platform to give voice to a lot of these feelings and those vulnerable emotions. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna leave the link for it on the description for this video for sure. Okay, so it's nearly 6 p.m. now. I woke up, as you saw, I went out for a walk. I went to grab this bread that I ordered, this sourdough bread, which was honestly, it's so good. And I'm happy that I ordered it because I'm a bit of a bread snob. When it comes to bread, I'm very snobby because of my mom. My mom is a professional baker, and I can't with like supermarket bread. I need to have like the good bread. So I found this woman here in Lagos that does slow baked sourdough breads, and I ordered a rye and caraway and fennel bread, and it's so freaking good. I actually have it already cut. I would show it to you, but everything is cut and sliced and put in the freezer, so there's not that much to see anymore. But it's really good. And yeah, I was just chatting with my friend while I was walking, went to the beach as well, came back, had some work calls, and then I had a call with another friend which I stayed on with for like 2 hours, I think, while I was having lunch. And now it's 6 p.m. and I'm like, where the hell has the day gone? Because honestly, how the F is it already 6 p.m. and I feel like I haven't done anything today. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of work before going to the movies. I'm going to the cinema with Aita, and I'm really excited because we're gonna watch Death in the Nile. And I read that book last year, and super excited to watch the movie. So yeah, I'll be going at 7, so I have 1 hour to work a little bit and maybe eat a slice of my banana bread with some turmeric latte. We'll see. I'm ready to go to the cinema, have my new green coat on, my beanie, my glasses, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to see anything. And I'm making popcorn because on this tiny cinema that we have here in Lagos, the only popcorn that they do is sweet popcorn, and I freaking hate sweet popcorn. So I'm making salty popcorn so I can take it to the cinema and that we can eat proper popcorn, not sweet popcorn. I'm sorry, but for me, sweet popcorn is not proper popcorn. Oh my god, that's so cool.
No, mama, you're
We are in a cinema room by ourselves. I'm so excited.
Someone who knows firearms well. I agree. Bullets for 95 grand and subsonic. This wasn't you want to have another holding cell. Go.
I love this.
Seja num momento mais sereno, ou na companhia de amigos, deixe-se levar até o país do Ferris Grouse.
Oh fuck.